Welcome back to our Cape Town walking tour. In part 2, we delve into the deep historical roots and vibrant cultural tapestry that define the heart of the mother city. Our journey through time begins at the Castle of Good Hope, the oldest surviving colonial building in South Africa, built in the 17th century. Once the hub of military and political life, its pentagonal walls now stand as a museum, preserving centuries of complex history. Just a short walk away lies the company's garden, a green sanctuary that was originally established to grow fresh produce for passing ships. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Nearby, St. George's Cathedral, known as the People's Cathedral, served as a beacon of hope and activism during the struggle for freedom. To understand the soul of this city, we must visit the District 6 Museum. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. A poignant memorial to a community displaced by apartheid. Through personal stories and artifacts, the museum honors the memories of the 60,000 residents forcibly removed from their homes. Cape Town's story continues to evolve in Woodstock, an industrial-turned creative hub where the streets themselves are a canvas. Vibrant street art here addresses everything from wildlife conservation to local social issues, transforming the neighborhood into an open-air gallery. Local and international artists have come together to turn these industrial blocks into a symbol of urban renewal and creative expression. Each mural tells a unique story, reflecting the diverse perspectives and artistic spirit of the modern South African identity. From bold geometric patterns to delicate illustrations, the art of Woodstock is a testament to the city's creative heartbeat. At the V&A Waterfront, the Zeitz MOCAA stands as a masterpiece of industrial repurposing, a historic grain silo turned into a world-class art museum. Its stunning atrium, carved from concrete cylinders, houses the largest collection of contemporary African art in the world. The museum showcases the power and diversity of the 21st century African diaspora through breathtaking exhibitions. As the sun sets, the museum's geometric windows glitter, offering a modern contrast to the ancient mountains surrounding it. Walking along the waterfront, we encounter the statues of the Nobel Peace Prize laureates, a reminder of the leaders who shaped this nation's path to democracy. To truly understand that path, we must take the short ferry journey across the bay to Robben Island. This island was a place of banishment for 500 years, most famously housing political prisoners during the apartheid era. It was here that Nelson Mandela spent 18 years of his life, a testament to the endurance of the human spirit in the face of oppression. From the lime quarries to the maximum security cells, the island is now a living museum of reconciliation and the triumph of freedom. Our journey through history and culture concludes for now. Join us in part 3 as we explore the hidden gems and unique flavors of this incredible city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.